how's it going? So today's going to be fun. We're going to be upgrading the pegs on this Coleman CT200u. The pegs that come with the bike are okay. They're nice, they flip out, they have a little bit of knurling on them, a little bit of traction, but we're going to be upgrading them with some motocross style pegs. So these are a cast aluminum peg that goes in. It'll still flip up out of the way, but you can see it's got a lot more surface area and it's got some teeth to grip into your shoe and then get you in the shin later when you fall off. So let's put those on here. I'm going to show you how to do it. This will be fun. All right, well, there you have it. That's about as easy as an install gets. There's only a few things to do. And what an improvement. They don't fold up as much as they used to, but I mean, that's fine. I never really used that anyways. It's kind of a storage feature. The original pegs actually have this detent built into them. So I saved everything just in case they want to go back on someday, but you have this detent ball that'll go back and forth between this little plate. And that's where that spring and the little bearing that go in there, they catch on that, so they can fold up, they can fold down, and they lock into place. So pretty handy. I lost one of the what is the name of that thing? Cotter pin. Thank you. I lost one of the cotter pins on one of my pegs a long time ago, and I ended up using this key ring that I had in the truck, and it worked great. It's been that way for a couple years now. So tools needed to do this. You're gonna need a set of side cutters or needle nose pliers. That's your preference just for getting the cotter pin out of there. And then just a hammer to tap that pin back in lightly like you saw me do. Now the pin is a 5/16. I went ahead and went with an 11/32 bit just to give me a little bit of extra clearance so that the pin had a little bit of wiggle room in there. But that's it. I had a little stubby screwdriver to just kind of help me cantilever that thing over so I could get the pin down in there, and that was the install. I mean, you saw it. It's super easy. So let's go ride this thing and see how these new pegs do. Well, I gotta say, bang for the buck, that is a really, really good mod. These things were only 16 bucks. There are fancier ones out there that have, you know, replaceable inserts and stuff like that that are about twice as much. They're about $30. But for 16 bucks, that is an absolute huge improvement. It's awesome. You can stand up on the pegs. You can jump the thing as you saw. I mean, that's a really, really good modification for these. And honestly, it's probably not just for the CT200u. I'm only focusing on that because it's the bike that I own. But anything that has this style of peg, you're going to be able to upgrade to these motocross style pegs. So there you have it. Nice, easy mod that you can do in an afternoon with some basic hand tools and improve the riding quality of your bike. Hope you enjoyed following along. Thanks for hanging out.